Good morning everyone. My name is Abir Maheswara and my team name is The Scholars. My topic is the local community problems. Common local community problems include unemployment, crime, inadequate access to basic services. What is local community? A local community is defined as a group of people living in a common area in which intent resources, needs and risks are shared. Being part of these groups promotes kindship and provide more space to connect with others. Due to these shared factors, the members often have common languages, beliefs and stories that they pass through ages. A strong local community makes its member more active and pushes each one to work toward a common goal, which is progress. What are community issues? Since these groups are composed of people with various backgrounds, problems are inevitable issues may start from families and further grow as a community matter. It is crucial to solve each problem to avoid a bigger uproar.
1.
All the problems may differ per area. There are common issues that may differ per area. There are common issues that may guide both leaders and members to find the leading problems in most areas. How to solve local problems? Solving local problems come in two approaches, the political action and direct action. Political action pertains to the process of pushing state and private firms to address a certain issue. For instance, the call for leaders to help lessen water pollution through laws and local support constitutes as political action. This also aims to spark creative tensions among public and private groups to solve a certain issue. Direct action, on the other hand, involves a more straightforward approaches in solving a local problem. Local community problem solutions are place more dustbins in public areas, start regular door-to-door garbage collection, separate dry and wet waste at home, conduct cleanliness awareness campaigns, involve local people in community cleaning drives, impose fines for littering, promotes recycling and composting of waste, ensure timely waste disposal by local authorities.
Continue.
Communities are problems just like people. Problems are part of life. We all deal with individual problems, families have families issues, and communities have community problems. Communities must come together to solve their problems just like families. When community try to solve problems, they start just like individuals do. They must reflect and analyze the issues to help to a solution, but before discussing solution, problems must be identified. So after discussing a little bit about what problems looks like, this section will explain what analyze community problems is about, why it can be helpful, and then how to do it. Thank you.